See you guys and gals, really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before doing anything. So yes, let's go over today what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. So yes, 1 second here. I'm going to pull up this live stream or this other live chat here. And then yes, we will tell the team that we're on live. So 1 second here. Yo, good to see you guys and gals. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Alright, so... Alright, just pull up this other live stream here. And yes, let's go ahead and get started pretty much. As, you know, everyone else is going to pull up here. So I want to get pretty much... I kind of want a fresh start on everything. So I'm going to delete everything and then, yeah, we're going to start pretty much fresh here. So yes, we're going to go over the Qs, SPY, Tesla, all these trades here, as usual. So 1 second, pretty much starting up everything. All right, cool. Hold on, I'm charging my device here. Yo, Rico, thanks for the follow, man, really appreciate it. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream, barely appreciate it. All right, so yes, let's get straight to it now. So the Qs, I can see a little bit of downside today. Obviously, yes, we got a, so there's a box here that I can see. We'll go over a lower time frame because I also do see something else right under us. So yes, we got some empty space. What do I mean by this? Clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside here. So as of this second, as of right now, yeah, we're still inside of consolidation, so I'm not going to touch this. Just going to wait this out and see if we can get that nice break outside of this wall here into this empty space, which looks good. Yo, Queez, what's up, Kingdom? Good to see you, bro. MU, okay, gotcha, bro. All right, so that is on the Qs. Obviously, I do want to go down to a lower time frame, maybe even a 30-minute, because, all right, let's just say screw this as of this second here. We got another little box here. Nice little top, nice little bottom wall here. So, as of now, we're in more consolidation. So, looking for a break under this box here. So, this is more of a smaller move. So, if I end up taking this one, it'll be more of a smaller play for sure. And yeah, pretty much same exact thing. Take profit, stop loss. Either it'll hit or it won't. So yeah, we got this clear gap up here. No consolidation. Get that break under that 634. Looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So we'll see if we touch the Qs today. I'll be honest, we haven't, or at least I haven't touched the Qs all week this week, which is perfectly fine. We had a lot of other, you know, decent plays that ended up doing well. But yeah, we'll see if this will end up playing out for us today. So yeah, that is on QQQ. So yeah, let's go over SPY now. Let's take a look at the damage here. All right, so SPY, pretty much same thing. I will be honest, so yeah, let's get rid of all this. Let's start on this higher time frame. I will be honest, I do like the Q setup a lot better, I will say. So yes, we still got empty space here, and I'll see another gap here. So it doesn't look too bad to me. Let's see here. So it looks like, yeah, we got another, yes, there's a little gap here as well, but there's another little box here that I can see. So nice top, bottom wall there. So yes, what under that 686. So that's what I'm seeing, 686. And we break under there. I'm looking for that next resistance, that next little play, which is at, let's see, down to the 685. So yeah, looks really good. Not bad at all. So hold on, 680. So not the biggest move either, but still, you know, small, decent move if we can end up getting that. I get it. There's a little gap there we would have to go into first. So yeah, that is on SPY. Doesn't look too bad though. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. Chat to my guy, Glock. Yo, Jose, good morning, bro. Good to see you. So yeah, today, I feel like, yeah, it's going to be a great day. I mean, if we get, some drops today, I'll be happy. So we'll see how things play out for today. So we went over the Qs. Let's go over Tesla. Yes, we will be going over IWM2 as well. Hold on. IWM. I want to pull up a couple other of these trades here. I want to see where AMD is too as well. All right. Let's keep on going. All right, honestly, let's get rid of all this. And yes, we did have a very decent move on this just yesterday. So as you can see here, yes, we had a decent move. Didn't post every single chart that we had, but yes, you see IWM, same exact thing. Tesla, there was empty space above us, which we went up and tapped into. But yeah, was a great move. Shout out Sky Guy, end up cashing a little bit of that. And a few of the other members catching a lot of these other plays here. Shout out to Fast Roddy on that IWM. Shout out to Ham Man. Thank you, I put bros. So end up catching that NVIDIA there, 500 there. PayPal, he did great on that, and Spy too as well. So yeah, was a great little day yesterday. Honestly, it was the same exact play, but let's go over it. We're on this 1 hour. Let's go to a 24-hour really quickly and break this down. He said, need NVIDIA to stay up. Dude, I know. I think there's a few members still holding that, which is crazy. So, yeah, hopefully it stays up, man, for sure. INTC calls. All right, yeah, I got you, bro. All right, so as for Tesla, okay, there is still a little bit of empty space possibly above us. Let me take a look on this lower time frame. So 1 hour. Let's see where we're at. Hold on. Gotta do a lot of scrolling today. All right, so where are we at here? Okay, so hold on, my bad guys, I'm just making sure my levels are right before I start. All right, okay. All right, so there's another box here that I can see clearly, so I'm glad I looked to the left. So there is another box here. So we got another little box here. We have a top wall at this 468. Let me look. Hold on 1 second here. 468, 29. Okay, nothing stopping us right there. All right, cool, got it. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. There's still a lot of empty space here. So what I can see, still same move. Clear gap down here. No consolidation. This is what I would like to this upside. So let's see. And yes, let's change this song here. It's kind of I don't really like the lyrics on it. All right, anyways, so Tesla, we're back at it. All right, so we did that. So yeah, as I can see, as of now, let's take a look. So my bad guys, I was writing some things down. Got a entry, exit, middle of the move. Same exact thing, that empty space, that is still there. So that's what I like. That's what I can see above that 468 area. Yeah, nothing stopping us on that. So yeah, right now that's what I can see. If we can somehow get above that top level there. We can also look to this bottom. So let's say if we do want to drop today. Not saying we will, but yeah, let's see. Let's see, 30-minute chart, 30-minute. Okay, yeah, I got it. So yeah, same thing here. Just the downside. So yeah, each trade is going to be the exact same in our Discord. Honestly, if we go, if we do the same move as we did the last couple days, I wouldn't be mad. So top, bottom wall there. So yes, we do got this empty space that is under us down from this. Let's see, 463 down to this. My bad. 460. So right now, both waves we're still in consolidation. I personally won't be touching anything unless we can break outside of this consolidation zone, which looks good. Obviously, you know, there is, okay, so there is another little gap here before we end up going up into this 467 area. But yeah, that's what I can see. Doesn't look too bad. Right under us, we get this break. Got that empty space. That looks good. So we'll have to see how this plays out for today. So that is on Tesla. So yeah, both ways honestly look pretty good. We'll have to see how that plays out. I guess, you know, this could be a little box here. 2 above that 465, targeting up into that 467 area too. So another little gap here. We'll go over it in a second here. All right, so yeah, so we'll keep on going. I do like Tesla. Doesn't look too bad. We'll just see how we'll have to see how things play out. IWM. Let's take a look here. And yes, we had a very decent move on this one just yesterday. As you can see, yes, I kind of want to start fresh on this. Same thing. So yes, we had a very decent move on this. I believe it was just yesterday. So clear gap up, no consolidation. And yes, we end up having a break under our box, under our wall, and to this downside here. So we end up getting that. Puzzle pieces for viewers now. Dude, Glock, I didn't even know you had puzzles to do in the live. That's crazy. All right, so at IWM, let's take a look here. Honestly, looking for another little move here. Honestly, I do want to see if we can finish it. It's a new one. Oh, wow, that's crazy. All right, so as of this second here, yes, we still have this empty space, so that is currently under us. Okay. All right, so let me look at this. I do like the 1 hour though. Let me look at this 30-minute really quickly. Let me see if this 30-minute looks a lot better. So 248, 248.40. All right, so I got it. It looks good. Doesn't look too bad. What I can see here is this. So I personally do like the 1 hour. 1 hour looks good. We do have a little bit of upside too. So this is how I would do this one. Still going to be the same exact thing. So just mainly both sides here. 248, 44 area. So yes, we're in this box here. We got some empty space below us too. So yes, right under us, that 248 area. We'll love to see us down to that 247, 43. So what I can see, entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So pretty much that same move. I get it, yes. So this wick here, we did end up going straight down into it, touching our imbalance. So this was the imbalance here yesterday, but looks like we established a new box, a new wall. So yeah, looking for that break under into that empty space here, which doesn't look too bad. So that's on IWM. To the downside. Yeah, so downside doesn't look too bad. Hold on 1 second here. Also, yes, we will be going over the upside too. So yes, each trade in our Discord, exactly the same. So let's just say if we somehow say screw this, we want to go back up. Cool. I'll be fine with that. We got some empty space above us, which looks good here. So above that 249 area. We get that break. Top, bottom wall, empty space, boom. So yeah, right now we're just in that box. Not going to do anything, just going to wait. So just like all of these trades here, we're in the wall, we're in these boxes, no trade. We break outside of our box, our wall, we have this trade here. So same thing, Tesla in that box. Obviously we could go down into this empty space there, but we're just going to let the trade decide what it wants to do. You can see once we call out trades, you can see how we call out trades here. This was just yesterday. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I want. That's all that I see. Once we get in, cool. And yes, you can see what a couple members ended up doing just yesterday on a few of the plays. Shout out to Manny. Up, what, 41% in the past month on this account. So yeah, it was a very beautiful day. Great day for sure. So yeah, we went over, okay. So we went over Tesla. Honestly, downside looks good too. Downside if we want to get that drop. All right. IWM, we went over that. AMD. Okay, yes, let's go over AMD too as well. All right, cool. Wait, what do you think Tesla will do today? All right, so yes. All right, before we go over AMD, just, to briefly go over it. So yes, there is this clear gap up, no consolidation. We got this Potter box we need to break under this level here. This is 463, so nice candle close, in order for us to go into this downside here. So this is what I'm looking at for today. Obviously, I'll be completely honest, so this is not really a box here. I mean, I guess you could consider it a small box, but we got another box here. And I did see, so yes, and yes, I'll turn that back on. So right above this, so this chart is going to look a little bit more confusing, but it's really the same thing. So yes, above this 465 area, we get that break above. We have empty space up to that 467.90. So if I scroll all the way back here, hold on, let's see. So yeah, if I scroll all the way back, I did end up seeing that, yes, we did have a little of a gap here that we could end up going into. So that's also what I'm looking at. That's also like something that I do like here, if we can get that. But yeah, we'll just have to see how, things play out. So I did see, yes, on that 1 hour chart. So we did have a nice 1 hour here. So we would have to break above this 468 for that other empty space above. But we would have to get through that 30-minute chart first. So that's all that I'm seeing. Obviously not gonna, I get all these lines and levels look very very weird right now, but still same exact thing. We'll focus on this bottom here, clear gap up, we get that 463 break to that downside there. Obviously we break above that 465. I would definitely try it up to that 467. So not a bad little move there that I can see. So that is that small little gap here that I can see once we can break above that Potter box. All right, so yes, let's take that. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? And yes, each trade is the same in our Discord. We don't change anything. You can see how we call out plays. You can see a couple members, what they did just yesterday, the day before. Each trade is literally the same. Shout out to Fabi as well. Shout out Jesus. Amen. But yeah, each trade is literally the same. So we don't change anything. We get in, we get out. You can see how we call out plays. We post them. We get in. If I have to stop out of a play, that's fine. I'll definitely stop out. But yeah, take profits or stop losses with it. So yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Everyone there is pretty cool. Free chat is there. And yes, we do have a code that will be ending very soon. So 30% off of pretty much everything for Bros 30. So yeah, everything will be in the link in the bio. All right, so anyways, let's take a look. So Tesla looks good. IWM. We got to go over MU. We can go over SPY. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop them in the comments. Yo, Milo, appreciate you. So yes, Milo is my assistant now. So what do you think about SPY today? Yo, Carla, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. What broker do you recommend? Newbie here. All good, no worries. So, and yes, just remember, yeah, just do your own research, not financial advice or anything. But personally, I mean, you can use anything. I use Webull, TradeStation. Those are the ones that I use. I do have a couple other ones, just in case. But other than that, yeah, Webull and TradeStation are the ones that I use. All right, so we got to go over SPY, PayPal, so PYPL, MU. I got you guys and gals. All right, cool. All right, so for SPY, honestly, I like it. I like the setup. It doesn't look too bad, right? So I did this on a 1 hour chart, so but you can go down to a 30-minute and do it like that. But yes, what I see here, we still got this clear gap up, no consolidation. So under that 686 area, I do want to see that drop down to that 685 if we can get it. As of this second, though, nothing that I would want to take. So just because we're in a little bit more consolidation. So once we break outside of that consolidation, that's what I can see there. Yo, Rug, what's up, man? Oh man, Ruggs is reading my mind. I swear he is. That's crazy. All right. My bad. I gotta leave. I gotta post some things in the Discord. Hold on. All right, hold on 1 second here. Shout out to Rug for those charts. All right. Yeah, looks like we got a little nice day if we can get some entries. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going here. So MU, I got you guys. My bad, Kingdom, for not going over this earlier. All right, so MU, we'll look at this on a weekly time frame. I'll be honest, on this weekly chart, we did end up gapping up, what, $7 or so. So there's nothing for me to do on this. We could end up, you know, continuing higher. But I will say we can go down to a lower time frame, and we can break this down. Yo, MB, what's up? Okay, low, PLTR, F down. Okay, cool. Yo, IB Social, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Fed will disappoint and there will be no deal with China market will crash. Dude, honestly, if the market crashes, I'm waiting for it. So I'll be happy, man. We do have a lot of empty space under us. So let's just say even if MU takes a crazy dip, I will be ready. Look, you know, there's a lot of empty space. There's a lot of, you know, opportunities, at least for me, that I can see. Obviously, I'm not saying that I'm right, not saying that I'm the best or anything. So yes, just please do your own research. But I do see a lot of empty space that is under us that I would love to target into if we can get it. How can we get into your Discord? So yes, the Discord link is in the bio. Honestly, if you're new, you can even just join the free chat. The free chat is there. You can even talk to the members. You can also watch my free live streams as well. But yes, link is in the bio for the Discord. We do have that code that will be ending soon too. So yeah, you'll see it in the free chat though. All right, so that is on MU under that 214.64. Looks really good to that 201. Yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I love puts. I mean, you guys can see by my name. Obviously, I won't discriminate against my calls though. I mean, the past couple of days we've been getting into a lot of calls, and you know, that's perfectly fine too as well. All right, so MU, that's what I like. 214, obviously, could even use this top. We could even retest this 227 and then get that continuation. Yo, Roger, what's up, my guy? Good morning, everyone. Let's try to be positive today. Yes, sir, man. So yeah, it's a blessed day. Yeah, just grateful that God woke me up this morning, and yeah, we're on live now. So, gonna be a nice little day here. All right, so for PayPal, we went over this one here. So yeah, as you can see, so I personally, I'll be honest, I didn't end up taking this one. I took a couple other ones, UPS, JetBlue. But yeah, this one ended up working out great. We had this clear gap down, no consolidation. We ended up getting a break outside of our level into our empty space here. A couple of members ended up catching that one. Shout out Ham, thank you, Put Bros. So you can see, well, that was in the video. But PayPal, he made what, 800 on that one. As you can see now though, I kind of want to get rid of this. So let's go to a higher time frame. Let's break it down. I will be honest, so for PayPal, we already kind of hit my final TP. Actually, hold on. Okay, maybe I do see something else. Just maybe. All right. Emotion drives the market and fears powerful, my opinion. So yeah, that's why we don't trade our emotions. Only the charts, or at least that's what I do. I try not to trade with my emotions. All right, so 79.44, we get that nice break outside of our level here. Honestly, this looks like a entry as a nice regular entry. Honestly, I'm gonna write that down. I have my alert set on that. So what? PayPal, I do like that setup here. That's if we can get all the way back up to the 79.84. There is, so yeah, this is something that I would look forward to. We get this empty space move, so boom, top, bottom, all there. Nice little move there. So yes, I don't see any resistance to that 86 67. So that's what I'm looking at there. Yo, Lime Jello, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I got you. All right, so we did MU, we did PayPal. I do like PayPal a lot. I've written that down. Why do you like puts over calls? I will say I won't discriminate against it, but I will say every time I'm in puts, or maybe not every time, but a lot of times when I'm in puts, the move kind of just happens a lot faster. And I can like see. So yes, I go by the strategy. The strategy is great. I do like to wait for those candle closes or a lower time frame entry. But a lot of times when I'm looking at the stock or the trade and it wants to drop, you can kind of see like, oh, it wants to drop there. So like there was an example here for hold on, just yesterday. It was on IWM actually. So IWM, we had to break under that 249 level. Obviously, you could have used a lower time frame candle close for that entry, would have been great. Obviously, on this 1 hour too, I seen that we were holding and seemed like it wanted to drop, and I confirmed it with a lower time frame close, and so that was pretty much that standpoint. And this trade here it took like what, 5 to 10 minutes. Obviously, yes, there's going to be trades that take hours. So Tesla, this took what, 2 to 3 hours for this play to hit, which is perfectly fine. I'll definitely wait for a play if I have to, but yeah, that's just pretty much my standpoint with things. All right, so yeah, for me, I'm going to wait for this. Obviously, I'm not going to get into SPY. I do want to see under that 686 for this downside here to the 685. But yeah, like I said, I still love my calls. Obviously, trading isn't, oh, we get in this second here, and then boom, we get out the next minute. Obviously, yes, I would love for that to happen on a lot of trades. Like, boom, we get in, we get out, we take profits in the next 2 minutes. But honestly, that's not trading. So sometimes, yes, we will have to hold positions for a couple hours for a day trade, maybe a couple days, weeks for our swing trades. So really just depends on the setup. All right, so yes, let's keep going. TTD, we'll take a look here. But yeah, just remember, just do your own research, not financial advice. That's just how I see things. Obviously, I'm not saying that I'm right or anything, so yes, please do your research. Okay. So OKLO, okay, I'm pulling up pretty much all these trades here. Yeah, Carla, no worries. Good to see you once again. Appreciate you pulling into the live stream. All right, so PLTR, we'll take a look there. So we did SPY. I'm looking at. Look at F. All right, cool. Got you, bro. All right, so F2 as well. All right, cool. So for F, let's go ahead and get rid of all this. It's at 12. Let me see here. So yeah, okay, I do see F. It actually doesn't look too bad. There's actually both sides here. So yes, we are on this 1 hour chart from what. Okay, so hold on. We'll go to a higher time frame so I don't disrespect the higher time frames. Higher time frames are my best friends, of course. All right, so I do see that nice 4 hour. 4 hour actually doesn't look too bad. 2 hour looks a little bit better. Yeah, so yeah, that's exactly what I can see here. So yeah, if we end up getting that break under that 1310, can't even read right now. Yeah, if we can get that break under, I wouldn't mind taking this one down to this, let's see, down into this 1275. So yeah, that's what I can see, which honestly doesn't look too bad there. Obviously, yes, entry, exits, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want, which doesn't look too bad. He said, forgot Powell was speaking today. Might get a little move at open then. So yeah, Powell is speaking today. We got what? So FOMC is today. So yeah, just keep that in mind for today. So what? Today's Wednesday. So yes, press conferences today. So yeah, we might get a move at open. We might chop until then. So got to be very careful with those entries here. And that's pretty much it. So yes, forward looks good. Obviously, I will say upside though. We got a little bit of upside that doesn't look bad. I'm gonna tweak this up just a bit. So yes, above that 1327. If we can get this continuation, do want to see that 1380, which looks good. Not too bad. You said Amazon is pumping. Is it really pumping? Is it? All right, yeah, we'll go over it. You're no way. No way. Hold on. Is it? Please tell me it is. Hold on. All right, we'll go over TTD as well. Hold on 1 second here. Let's see where Amazon is. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, my first target hit. Okay, I'm not gonna get too excited because yeah, that was a crazy pump though. But yeah, that first target ended up hitting. If we can stay above. Oh yeah, I want that 236. Oh dang, that was a nice move, baby. Oh wow. Oh wow. Obviously, I hope we stay up though. So we ended up closing on this on 229. We're at this 233. Oh, goodness, goodness. Oh boy, please. Oh man. Oh brother. Oh brother. Imagine if we got in yesterday when you called it, dude. I am in this play. But yeah, well, I'm not gonna get too excited. Obviously, yes. I mean, if the stop loss hits, then I'll get stopped out. That's fine. But yeah, 236 will be my final there. So yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Obviously, yeah, we would need to stay up, so I'm not gonna get excited. Obviously, at open, either my take profit or my stop loss will hit. So, but yeah, this was this was a play from literally yesterday. So hold on, let's see, where are we at? So this was on Amazon here. Obviously, yeah, you can see where we pretty much were. A lot of people were in from that break from yesterday, but we still wanted that 232. I seen that we did end up having that pullback. So yeah, if we can stay up, it'll be cool. But yeah, not gonna get too excited though. Either yeah, stop loss, take profits will hit. So first target hit though. So we did hit the imbalance. So if we end up rejecting, we could end up doing that before open. So under that 232, we might end up rejecting there. We'll have to see though. All right, so we'll keep on going. Let's take a look. RBLX. Okay. F had recall news on sunroof tops this morning. Oh wow, that's crazy. All right, yeah, I'll keep F. I'll write that down. I'll look more into it, but chart wise, it does look good. So let's see. So that was on AMZN. We'll keep on going here. My bad. I kind of got lost. Well, I'm not lost, but I kind of just like, wow, nice little play there. Amazon with news is flying. Yeah, that's wild. That's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So yeah, we were at that 229 area. I actually had a beautiful entry on it, so we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Do you buy call plays on here, or is that only in the paid Discord? So most of my plays will be inside of the Discord. So like everything that I'm thinking about, I post it inside the Discord, and either they hit or not. Obviously, yes, on live stream, I do like to get in some plays when market is open. So it really just depends on the setup too as well. Yo, Aaron, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you. SOFI too. Okay, hold on, I got you. All right, so I do like PayPal. I don't know if we'll get that today. RBLX, let's take a look here. All right, 2 hour, 24 hour though. Let's take a look. All right. Okay. My bad, guys. Okay. So RBLX, yes, we will have to go down to this 2 hour time frame. Tesla's crossing. What is Tesla doing right now? Oh, Tessie, don't do it. Don't do it yet, man. Wait for me. Just wait like 30, 40 more minutes, bro. All right, so yeah, what I can see here is this. So we got this clear gap down here, no consolidation there. What I can see is this. So we got this nice top wall, decent bottom wall there. So what I see is, yeah, Empty space is above us, but we would have to break outside of this 135.23 area to end up going up into this 140.14. So you can see entry, exits, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, which doesn't look too bad. So right now, am I going to do anything on this? Absolutely not. Just because we're in a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of trouble. So yeah, I'm just going to wait on that. I do like above that 135. So pretty much same exact thing. We, have the same moves pretty much every day. So as for this, if I see a play I like, I'm definitely not going to just get in just because I want to. I'm just going to wait for that little entry. So nice on that 2-hour chart. All right, so that is that. Yeah, today is FOMC day. All right, I gotta warn the members. Hopefully, hold on. All right, cool. What about SOFI? Yo, Aaron, what's up, bro? My bad. Yeah, I got you. SOFI. Yeah, so hold on. Let's go to honestly, I'll be honest. Let's start on this weekly chart here. Nothing stopping us to this upside. I see that we dropped just a bit on this, which is perfectly fine. What I can see here is this though. So let's take a look. Honestly, I kind of want to go to a lower time frame. So maybe a 1 hour. So yes, 1 hour, we might have something here. So 1 hour looks good. Okay. All right, so yeah, this looks decent on this 1 hour chart. Just give me like 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds and I got you. Just 10 seconds here. Only because I want this to close. So 45 minute. Okay, 45 minute looks good though. All right, so beautiful top, beautiful bottom here. We got empty space under us. So what I like is, yeah, right below us here, we got empty space down to this 29.86. So yeah, what I can see is if we can get that continuation or that break below this wall here, I would like that downside here. So that's on SOFI, which doesn't look too bad. So right now, yeah, I'm not touching anything. We are currently not inside of empty space. We're just inside of this consolidation here. You said it moves slow. Yeah, it is. It is more of a slow mover, I would say. It does have its decent plays here and there though. Yo, Victor, what's up? Good to see you, bro. Tesla in the video. Yep, got you. What about puts on UPS? All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over those. We got to go over OKLO, TTD. We'll go over those too. Hold on. So NVDA. I haven't looked at that all morning, I don't think. So we'll take a look there. UPS. Yo, Zach, what's up? My buddy is having an issue with your VIP Discord. It's saying linking failed. Yeah, just give me a DM. And we can handle that. So me and my sister can handle that. It should work, but there may be something you might be using a different email. So a lot of times when people have issues, it may just be an email problem. So double check to see if he or she used the right email. But if not, no worries. We'll get that fixed. I got you guys. All right, so UPS. So we'll go over that. TTD. Yo, Vincent Antonio, what's up, bro? Good to see you guys. All right, so TTD, I'll be honest, I still like it. I'm still going to wait for it. As of right now, yeah, we still have the empty space above us, right? So clear gap down, no consolidation. So this is the move I'll be waiting for. I personally won't be trading anything else on this unless if I can get that clear move. So yeah, TTD always does this. Exactly, man. So we've been in chop for, obviously we had a decent move here. Boom, we went into this empty space there, but we just been chopping pretty much. This is something that I'm not going to risk anything on just because I don't really see a move. But yeah, above that 55.35, we get that 24-hour candle close. We have this empty space above us up to that 88.12. So we'll see how that plays out. It doesn't look too bad though. Not bad, not bad at all. All right, so that is on TTD. All right, so that's there. NVDA, we'll take a look. OKLO, I know a couple people want me to look at this too as well, so we will look at that. Hold on 1 second here, my bad. Okay, cool. Yo, Father, good morning, bro. Good to see you, man. Yo, Pablo, thanks for sharing or reposting the live stream. Hopefully I said your name right. All right, so yes, as you can see here, same exact thing pretty much. I still like this move. It looks decent to me, right? As of this second here, we're just in consolidation. There's just nothing that I would want to personally do except for wait. But yeah, clear gap up, no consolidation. This is something that I would want. So under that 131 area, we get that nice little break. Below that 131, yeah, I do want to see down to that, let's see, that 119, so it looks really good. Not too bad, though, not too bad. Obviously above us, let's just say if we want to screw the downside, we want to continue to go up above that 143 area-ish. Yeah, there we go. 143 area, we got some empty space above us, which honestly looks good. So yeah, we'll have to see how that will play out too. Looks pretty decent. Today I rise with clarity and conviction. I honor the rhythm of the market, not with fear but focus. My bad. Rug sent a nice little message there, so I gotta read it. I trade not to chase but to grow. Let every candle be a lesson. Every chart a mirror. I am calm. I am prepared. I'm profitable. Amen. Shout out Jesus. All right, so yes, 1 second here, guys and gals. I will be right back. So I don't have any water, so I gotta get some more. So yes, 1 second here. If you have any requests, if I did not go over your requests, now's the time to drop it. I will be going over pretty much everything once I am back in literally a minute. If you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat, VIP chat. Link is in the bio. We do have that code that will be ending pretty soon too. He said, I called that 5 minutes ago about... Dude, I almost forgot to leave, man. I gotta stay hydrated. All right, yes, 1 second. I'll be right back here. All right, and yes, we'll go over UPS too. All right, cool. Just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. All right, yes, I'll be right back here. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, so we're here. I got some carrots too, but all right. So yeah, so let's keep on going. All right, so UPS puts. So yeah, this was another position that we ended up having here. As you can see, yes, we ended up getting that breakout outside of this wall here into this empty space. So clear gap down, no consolidation. We ended up getting that break. You can see. We pretty much called it. So UPS calls, this was what, 2 days ago? So this was on Monday, see where we pretty much were. And we ended up hitting first and that final TP. Obviously, right now, it's just, we're at this imbalance right now. So the only thing, so yes, we'll go down to a lower time frame and break it down. But on this 24-hour, we're flirting with this imbalance. So if we reject off of this, I could see that 102.57. If we reject below it, I can see us back to that box at 88.98. But as for this, and yeah, we're literally sitting on the imbalance perfectly. That's wild. So yeah, as of this second here, AMD, AVGO, yo Simba, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it, man. Hope you're having a good day today. All right, so we got another box here. So we're right at the imbalance. We would have to break below this imbalance area, so around that 95.75 area. So if we can get that break under, we got some empty space below us, which looks good. So down into, so basically I personally would use that box as what I'm looking at. So entry, exit, middle of the move would be that, let's see, 92.44. So yeah, that's what I can see there. That is on UPS. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now we're struggling. We're struggling to get under that imbalance. That's what I can, personally see. All right, cool. Video there, TTD, AVGO. Yo, Casey, thanks for the follow, AVGO. All right, okay, hello, we did that too. AMD, yo, Vincent, I got you, man. My bad if I'm skipping anyone. I'm not trying to. ASST. All right, cool. Yo, TR, what's up? Good morning. All right, hold on. I got you. All right. IWM, cool. And CRWD, Lissa, what's up? Said joining the Discord. Yeah, no worries, man. Even if you just want to join the free chat, it's there. You can even talk to the members, things of that sort. And yes, if you are in the free chat in the Discord, if you have any questions, just drop them down. Don't be shy. Everyone's pretty cool. All right, so okay. AMD. Okay, I do see something on AMD that I like. We're gonna do this one first, actually. As you can see, yeah, we got some empty space. Hold on. So I do want to start on the higher time frame. I don't think there's anything stopping me to the upside. Let me look. Let me double check. Yeah, nothing stopping me to this upside. Obviously, like I've been mentioning, like same thing on the Qs and SPY. We could end up getting that continuation to this upside. But I do like this 4 hour. So the 4 hour doesn't look bad. Let me look. Let's take a look here. So hopefully you see what I see. Boom. Best circle you've ever seen in your life. No, I'm kidding. Alright, so yeah. Nice top, bottom wall there. We got empty space. So under that 254, that's what I can see. Right now, I personally would not touch it. I'm not touching anything. Obviously, you can. I'm just going to wait, just how I wait for all my trades. And so I'm going to sit back, relax, and see if we can get that nice little play here. So clear gap up. Under that 254, obviously we break under that 257, punch back through this wall here. Got this empty space below us. So whenever we want to drop, I'm not saying we will, but whenever we do want to drop, I have a lot of setups that I will be participating in. So we'll just have to see how things play out. All right, so that is on AMD. All right, cool. Actually, doesn't look too bad though. Yo, Dallas, what's up? I remembered your name, man. So how is Tesla looking? What, DKNG as well? We got to go over AVGO, ASST. So yeah, Tesla to, break it down pretty much. We got empty space both below us and also above us. So yeah, as for right now, 30-minute box. We're in consolidation. I'm not touching this at all. Under that 463 area, if we can clear that, I would like to take that to the downside, which looks good. Obviously, yes, above us, we got some more empty space. So don't really want to overlap it since I know what I'm looking at. Above that 465. So we'll scroll through pretty much. You can see that we got another gap down here. So no consolidation. Up to that 467.90. Hold on. So let's see here. Let's get back to it. So above that 465 area. Yeah, I would love that upside. So either way, I'll be fine with it. If we want to drop, cool. If we want to, go up for the past couple, days. And honestly, Tesla's been having this literally the same move every day, which has been wild. So you can see this was yesterday. The upside, we end up getting that break above our wall. You see the empty space. You can see the day before. Hold on. Tesla. So this was on what? Monday. Clear gap down. We broke above our wall. So it was pretty much the same move. So yeah, I'm looking for that either way, pretty much. All right, so IWM, TR, I got you. Yeah, let's go over IWM really quickly. Yes, what's up, man? Yeah, we'll be looking for him for sure. I got a few good ones that I'm looking at. So yeah, yesterday was a good day. Looking for another good day today too as well. So IWM, we did this on a 30-minute time frame. So no, not a 45-minute. I'm pretty sure it was 30-minute. So yeah, 30-minute here. We got this. Hold on. Let's tighten that back up. All right. Okay, so as of right now, yeah, both ways we're still in this consolidation. Looks like it does want this upside. Oh, my bad. I'm looking at all the chats here. Oh, dude, oh my gosh, I didn't even look at the other the chat here. So yes, if you're in the YT chat, I'm looking now. Yo, welcome to the real world. So yes, I use the Potter box. That's pretty much it. All that I look for is an area of consolidation to break it down. So area of consolidation where candles are going back and forth. I look for empty space. In other words, where there is no consolidation. So clear gap down here. So this is just an example. So this is what I would be targeting into after we break consolidation. So yeah, above that 249, I don't see any resistance up to that 249.89 area. I get it, not the craziest move, but IWM, you don't need the craziest move to make, some decent money. But yeah, above that 249.21 looks good to the upside there. All right, so yeah, that is on that. Looks really good. Not too bad at all. All right, so that's their AVGO. Let's take a look here. All right, so where are we at? Also, let me look at where the Qs are too. So Qs, Q, we're not quite there yet. All right, cool. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. Hey, my bad for asking again. What are your thoughts on NVIDIA? Possibly hit 215 in a week after earnings. Yeah, no worries. You're good. You're good. Tesla votes. Subject to pay. He will leave. Honestly, man, if I'm just only gonna play the charts and we're just gonna go by that. I will say so. On NVIDIA, there's literally nothing stopping us to this upside. We could end up, getting this continuation. Chart-wise, I don't see anything else. So there's nothing stopping us. And I'm not saying that because I don't know what I'm looking at. It's just there's literally no other candles for me to be like, oh yeah, there's some empty space there. Obviously, not saying that I'm right or anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research. So I mean, we could end up getting that continuation, but I don't trade like that. What I do see though is okay. Go down to a 30-minute. All right, so yes, there's a lot of empty space here, but yeah, we could end up, getting that continuation, which is honestly crazy. But yeah, empty space is currently under us. So if we end up getting that 207 break to this downside here, that's what I can see, which looks really good. So down to that 204. So under that 207, if we end up dropping there, could see that a little bit of downside there. Yeah, so I mean, personally, I would love to be like, oh yeah, there's some empty space above us, but there's just no other candles to the left. So it's kind of like the Qs, right? So I haven't touched the Qs in all week here. So yeah, we went over this. We ended up gapping up. Everyone was asking me about the Qs. Obviously, to the left, there was just no other candles. I told them we could end up just continuing, and that's exactly what we did. So you can see from Monday to yesterday to today. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second here. All right. 1 second, 1 second. All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, had to send a couple messages. Yo, T-Money, what's up? What's up? Yo, Stinky Pinky, what's up? Good to see you, bro. All right, can I do Tesla? Yeah, I got you. So Tesla, pretty much. Yeah, we'll just have to see. Right now, we're currently at this bottom wall here. Do you want to see a break outside of this wall into this empty space under that 463 down to that 460? If we can, that looks good. We could end up using this as buyer's control, so we could end up bouncing here. If we bounce here, we could end up seeing this upside up to that 465, up to that 467 area. So, yeah, we'll just have to see how things will play out. It doesn't look too bad, though. All right, so that is on Tesla. Also, SPY. Yo, Victor, I got you, bro. 1 second here. AVGO, did we already do AVGO? Oh, we didn't do it, did we? I could have sworn we did. All right, I guess we didn't. All right, yeah, we'll do it. I got you. I swear we did. Maybe yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I don't think we did. All right, so same thing here. We still, there's no empty space above us. We could end up getting that continuation, like I was mentioning. But yeah, what I can see, we would have to go to a lower time frame, maybe a 2 hour, 1 hour to break this down. So let's see here. Okay, yeah, I got it. Got to scroll in a bit. Let's change this song there before it gets freaky in here. No, I'm kidding. All right, so AVGO, where are we at? Obviously, I mean, we could end up getting that continuation. But yeah, this is what I can also see as is 371.18 down to this 365.61. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so as of this second here, looks good. Under that 371, that's what I can see down to this downside here. All right. And yeah, in NVIDIA, same thing. Nothing stopping us to this upside. What I can see here, pretty much, we got this empty space, so clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would love to this downside. If we can break under that 207.22 on a higher time frame, there's just nothing stopping us. So it did end up gapping up. It had a nice little move up. But yeah, right under us. This is just what I can see. So that's if we do want to get that little move to this downside. But yeah, we'll see how things play out. Obviously, we'll just see if we can get on that 207.22, which looks good. Yo, Authentic, what's up, bro? So yeah, QQ, pretty much same thing here. We got this empty space below us, looks good. Obviously, you could do this on a 45-minute, 30-minute chart, it's fine. But yeah, under that 634 area, if we can get that nice break outside of that 634, yeah. It looks really decent. So, do want to see if we can end up getting that little break. As of right now, just gonna have to wait for that. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Race, let's take a look. So it looks like Race ended up. All right, so it looks like Race ended up getting this nice break above, and then we went back to this box here. We would need that retest outside of that 447 to finish this upside there. So possibly end of day, especially if we can get above that 410, 411.38 area to that empty space there. So yeah, not bad at all. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I got a lot of typing to do, things of that sort. So yes, I will be on live in another hour or two. So yes, I'll still be back on live stream. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat. Honestly, join the free chat, see how you like it. Obviously, yes, we do have the VIP chat. We do have that code that will be ending too. Put Bros 30. But yeah, no worries. If you don't want to join, I will be back on live in another hour or so. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Hope you all have a blessed day. See you all soon, either in the Discord or my next live stream. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.